What's up, everybody? It's your boy Savi B. Happy Monday. It's a beautiful day. The blood of the economy is pumping on Monday. Saturday and Sunday it doesn't. Banks are open. Money's moving. It's a great feeling. I apologize for last week. I made one post last week. Just the way my job is. It's very cyclical, I guess you could say, monthly. The beginning of the month, there's not a lot of pressure, and then at the end of the month, to meet our goals, there's a lot of pressure. So there's overtime and all this extra things. So I was doing a lot of overtime, and I was unable to make any videos. So if you missed me, I'm sorry. But here we go. I got an article today, and it's how to invest in real estate. So it looks like these are just ways that you could crack into the real estate market. One way is invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. There's a couple out there like Income Realty, GEO Group, AG&C Investments, Prospect Capital. So you get the benefits of being a part owner in real estate, but you don't have tenants. You don't deal with, broken pipes. You don't deal with people. You just buy the stock, which they are very attractive. If you look at their dividend yield, I think they're supposed to pay out somewhere around 90% for some tax exemptions or something like that. So their payout ratio is really high. So why not? I own a couple of REITs. If you go back and check my stock portfolio, rent out a room. This is another way you can expose yourself to having investment real estate. If you own your house, or if you rent a 2 or 3 bedroom, you can go ahead, sublet the other bedroom out, have a little bit of income coming in that way. You could do Airbnb, something else like that, just depending on your state and the laws. There's lots of things coming up with Airbnb. Real estate crowdsourcing app is another way. I think it's like High Rise or something like that. The article's listing CrowdStreet as another platform you could invest in real estate. I don't know. I've seen a lot of videos on it saying that it really wasn't that good of a deal. It's something that you would have to try for yourself. I'm not invested in any of these platforms, nor do I want to. I want to just buy my own property and have a management company, a realty company, manage it. I think for me that'll be the best. I just want ownership. I want my name on the deed. So that's why I'm kind of staying away from crowdsourcing investment deals. Buying a rental property, that's just what I was talking about. I want to buy property and rent it out, and I want to accumulate them, so that way they can just continue to pay me, and I can kind of offset the FIRE number, the financially independent retire early number. I want to offset that number with my dividend portfolio as well as some rental property, so that way I won't have to have $5 million in dividends. Instead, I could have maybe $1 million and maybe 3 rental properties, something like that. So that's what I'm looking to do. I think with rental properties, it's a lot easier because you can leverage through borrowing from the bank or your 401k. There's other creative ways to finance deals. So that's what I'm kind of researching into, as well as continuing on with the dividend portfolio, just to have passive income. Let's see. And that's the ways that you can get into real estate. If you found this article helpful, or if you want to read it in its totalness, I guess, totality, whatever the word is, just go ahead The link will be in the description below, as always. And if you found this video helpful, mildly, or if you found it entertaining, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, so that way you don't miss me ever again. And I hope you all have a beautiful week ahead, and I'll see you guys on the next one.